today's different. We woke up to some white stuff on the ground. Yo, I'm still tired, bro. I just woke up. But hey, it's what it is. It's whatever. We got our hand full. We're gonna go ahead and do a couple stuff to the car. But today's not a good day at all. I didn't even know it was gonna snow. We'll be looking at the weather like that. But like, what's good? What's good, baby? What's good with you? Damn, you looking sexy. Listen, right now we're at the shop and we're gonna try this out. So if you watched the last video, I told you that we're gonna clean my dash and take the seatbelt light that we had on. So we fixed it, I think we did. So I already installed the computer in the car. I'll show you real quick. So right here, excuse me for the mess. So right here, it still have no interior, but it's whatever. So I'll go ahead, put this here. Let's try it on. Try to turn the car on, and that light right there, the seatbelt light. Oh, yes sir, yes sir. So now we have a clean dash, of course, but I still need to do a couple more things. I'm gonna put the interior back in, get the car ready, and we also got a couple goodies that we want to put on the car. Maybe today, I don't know if we're gonna have time at the shop. Depend how busy the shop is, but we got a couple things. Let me show you real quick. So we got this thing right here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this later if I get to install it today. And we also got this right here. So if you know, the Nismo has the red line on the bumper and behind the on the front bumper and the back bumper, and also the mirror, but I don't have it. So I'll see if I install it today and see how the car looks. Finally finished. So right now we're working on a couple things. So I couldn't get the plastic, well, not my plastic, my interior parts of my other car because I can't find the key. So right now I'm doing a couple things. Let me show you. So we're getting this add-on for the wing. Let me know how it's going. Obviously it's gonna look better than that when I'm done, but I got that going on. I also got, let me show you real quick. I also got this, finally, the red stripe for the exterior, black trim. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. Yo, my car is hella dirty. Who's calling the shop? Somebody's calling the shop. But yes, we're gonna get that. Listen, we gotta do something before we leave the shop today, and that's secure the light. So this light right here, yeah, it's coming off. So I gotta deal with that today. I don't want that falling apart, or like falling down, falling off. So let me go ahead and start cleaning up the car just a little so I can start putting the stripe. Right now I'm waiting on the last part I need for the trunk lid. So I'm waiting for that. Once I get that, it's gonna be a no-brainer and it's gonna be finished. Also, that's getting the red stripe too. I'll show you guys the finished product. Not exactly how I'm doing it. Let me show you the finished one when it's finished, obviously. Hey, this shit is sight, bro. Hey, bro, you can't say bad word on YouTube no more. Like, not even damn. Like, what the heck, bro? Like, listen, this thing, I'm gonna show you the car. But listen, this thing is crazy. Okay, you guys ready? Damn, baby. What's going on with you? Oh my God. Come on. Let me show you the front real quick. Hold on. Yo, remember, it's all dirty and stuff. Let me clean this just a little bit. And of course, now we got the front. Come on, you guys rate it. Damn, this thing is shining too, like crazy. What's good? What's good? What's good? Oh my God. Hey, let me know if you guys like the new look. Well, the finished look, because there's like the finished look. So basically, we just need to put the line in a couple more spots, and then that's it. The car's gonna be set. But Kevin just came to the shop and he wanna leave, get something to eat. So I'm gonna start working. But the car, hey, crazy. Like, this thing is crazy now. Like, whoosh. Guys, rate the back. Rate that back, Kevin.
I like it. I'll fuck with it.
Bro, you can say bad word. What are you doing, bro? Not on the video. Damn. Yeah, definitely. Shit. Well, it's already nighttime, but guys, let me show you what this car looks like right now. Like, shit. Like, come on now. Come on now. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That back though, right the back. Shit. Hey, this car is looking so mean now. By the way, I hate people that ask for likes and subscribe. And if you guys agree with me, that you make sure you like and subscribe too. Then now that's how I get to know that you guys agree with me. Thank you so much.